How many molecules of CO2 are there in 72 grams of CO2? Hint, the molar mass for CO2 is 1 mole of CO2 equal to 36 grams of CO2. The known unit is 72 gram because it has specific values. The unknown unit is molecules of CO2. You are solving for the values of molecules. How do you solve for the unknown values? It's basically using this formula right here. You take your known from the problem, time the conversion factors, and time another conversion factor if there are more than one conversion factors. To determine the conversion factor, you use the flowchart over here. The flowchart basically tells you how many steps are involved in solving the problem. Your known is the mass, and you want to go all the way to representative, so you had to go from mass to mole, and from mole to molecule. Therefore, there are two conversion factors that are involved in solving these problems. Given your known 72 grams of CO2, you always start from your known. That's why you use a formula in the first place. So you know that your known is 72 grams. You want to cancel the gram. So look at the first conversion factor. You have 1 mole equal to 36 grams. The gram has to be on the bottom. That is the only way you can cancel out. It will divide by grams. So therefore you can see that grams of CO2 and grams of CO2 cancel out. What about 72 divided by 36? That will give you 2. You want to check? Takes 36 times 2. That will give you 2. The next thing you have to do is that you have to multiply to the next conversion factors, which is 1 moles equal to 6 times 10 to the 23rd molecules. I replace the term representative particles with molecules because I know specifically we are dealing with molecules right now. Since the moles is a known now and we want to cancel out the mole, therefore this mole has to be on the bottom because 1 mole of CO2 divided by 1 mole of CO2 will cancel out. The leftover will be on the top. 6 times 10 to the 23rd molecule, 602. Time 2 will give you what? This is an easy math. Let me show you how. 2 times 6, that will give you 12. And we just time 10 to the 23rd molecules. And that would be your answer. Good luck on your tests.